Subscribe to BackFeed News, exploring traditional Catholic culture and Irish music. Are you a fan of traditional Catholic culture and Irish music? If so, you're in for a treat. BackFeed News, our YouTube channel, is dedicated to bringing you fascinating content on these topics and more. Subscribe to our channel today and join us on our journey to explore the rich traditions and beautiful music that define these cultural pillars. What can you expect from BackFeed News? BackFeed News is your go-to destination for captivating videos that delve into the world of traditional Catholic culture and Irish music. Through our carefully crafted content, we aim to provide you with an immersive experience that celebrates the beauty and depth of these cherished traditions. From insightful discussions on Catholic customs to mesmerizing performances of Irish tunes, our channel offers a diverse range of engaging material to enrich your knowledge and appreciation. Join our community. By subscribing to BackFeed News, you'll become part of a vibrant community of individuals who share a passion for traditional Catholic culture and Irish music. Through our comment sections and social media platforms, you'll have the opportunity to connect with like-minded enthusiasts, exchange ideas, and expand your understanding of these cultural treasures. Our channel is not just about viewing content, it's about fostering a sense of belonging and camaraderie among individuals who value these timeless traditions. Why subscribe to BackFeed News? Explore traditional Catholic culture. BackFeed News delves into the rich tapestry of traditional Catholic culture, offering insightful discussions on customs, practices, and the profound significance of various rituals. Whether you're a devout Catholic seeking to deepen your understanding or simply curious about the beauty of this ancient tradition, our channel provides an illuminating exploration of the customs and beliefs that have shaped generations. Experience the magic of Irish music. If Irish music stirs your soul, you'll find endless delight in the captivating performances and deep dives into the history of this beloved musical genre on BackFeed News. From enchanting melodies to the fascinating stories behind timeless Irish tunes, our channel serves as a gateway to the mesmerizing world of Irish music, allowing you to immerse yourself in its enchanting allure. Stay informed and inspired. Subscribing to BackFeed News means staying informed about the latest content that delves into traditional Catholic culture and Irish music. Our videos are not only entertaining but also educational, offering a blend of knowledge and inspiration that will leave you with a renewed appreciation for these timeless traditions. Whether you're seeking to expand your understanding or simply indulge in the beauty of these cultural marvels, our channel has something for everyone. How to subscribe? Subscribing to BackFeed News is a simple process that allows you to stay updated on our latest videos and be part of our growing community. Here's how you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our YouTube channel. Head to YouTube and search for BackFeed News in the search bar. Click on the subscribe button. Once you've found our channel, hit the subscribe button below the video content to become a part of our community. Turn on notifications. By enabling notifications, you'll be alerted whenever we upload new and exciting content, ensuring that you never miss out on our engaging videos. Join us on a journey of discovery. Join us on BackFeed News as we embark on a journey to explore the captivating realms of traditional Catholic culture and Irish music. Through our channel, you'll not only gain valuable insights into these time-honored traditions but also connect with an engaging community of fellow enthusiasts. Subscribe today and open the door to a world of beauty, inspiration, and cultural richness.